Guys, how's it going? It's your boy Sally Cadaver, aka the Grand Lazy, back at it again with another video of Catfish, and we're playing Last Day on Earth again. I don't know why I forgot the name before, but we're back at it again. And for some reason a wall has disappeared. Maybe the zombies ate it, but that's okay. All we gotta do is fix it. Is that right? Yeah, I'm right. Okay. This is not where you build stuff. Well, that you can build stuff there, but I don't know. I like chicken. Oh gosh! I'm dying of thirst. What the? I need to follow this blue arrow. Does that have water? Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, come on. I'm gonna die of thirst. What the heck? I don't want to... No! I need water! What do I do? What? Oh! Well, I'm gonna walk. And that's gonna be 12 minutes, but I'll pause the video. Okay, we're here. Now I need water. Come on, man. Oh, there. Oh God, where do I get a drink? Oh, hello, how is your day? Hello. No! What is that? He killed me. That's just messed up. Well, back at my house. This is gonna be great. This really sucks. I don't know why people hurt me. Oh, why are you doing that? Hello? Is it me that you looking for? Hey, I don't need any of this stuff. But I'll talk to you later. Some guy killed me because he's a buck. No, that didn't work. I don't like him anymore. I'm going to slap him till he's dead. And why can't I walk outside of this dark grass area? My house is really gross. Man, why did you put... I think this is grass. Yeah, this is definitively grass. Wow. That's pretty neat, right? But where am I supposed to get some? Oh, I'm high. I'm so pretty. Okay, but that's not the point. I'm just here to get all my stuff. Oh! Did you see that? He looked amazing. Okay, let's get her up again. Oh, hey, Mr. Tree. Whoa! Get some more wood, because I like wood. Wood is pretty nice, actually. Whoa! Level up! I just leveled up. Wow! Now we can make something. Doesn't matter cause I can make planks. I can make planks. Well, I can make planes. Oh my god! I don't need this. This is all inbox. Wow! I didn't even know this was here. Oh my gosh! Now I have water and butt still. That's pretty cool. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay, let's just go make some more stuff. Cause someone killed me. I don't know who, but someone did. Let's go out in army bunkers. Visiting an army bunker can be extremely rewarding. And oh my gosh, let's just run. I don't wanna wait another long time. Hopefully that guy doesn't kill me again. Cause that guy looked really nice. Don't throw empty water bottles away. You can fill them up with some liquid. Are you sure about that? Water. Wow, I like water. Okay, be careful. You could die from that guy. Cause I like pie. Oh gosh, it's an enemy. Oh man. Stop falling around. Okay, let's go and make. Now I'm gonna smack you across the face. Whoa! Oh gosh! Fight! 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 What? Get knocked out, boy! Yeah. I just killed that zombie with my bare hands. That's how you know I'm a man. There's another. Oh God! No! Stop! Stop! What? How did you hurt me from there? Oh! 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 Okay, I don't wanna play with the other one. Oh God! Oh God! No, what are you doing? Don't go over there. I'm about to die. Go away! Go away! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Chop down the tree. This is the perfect time to chop down the tree when there's like 50. And there's not really. There's only 2 zombies chasing me. But when there's zombies chasing me, I just have to. Oh no! Oh no! Go away! Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Oh! 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 I'm gonna eat some chicken right now. How about you? No! You suck. I love you too. Run! Oh, that was scary. What? Okay, I need to make that. Oh, my inventory is full. My inventory is full. Why is this place so full with zombies and stuff? Oh! What? 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 Yeah! No! 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 Why did you do that? No! Just stay. I want to stay here. Visiting an army bunker can be extremely rewarding or extremely painful. Who knows what's going on behind the deadly barrels of the dead cat? I really don't know what I'm saying. Actually, yeah, I am. I'm saying. Whoa! So I'm gonna have some water. A bottle of water. Water. Good for your world. Oh my God. Man, I am hot though. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, don't get close to me. I love you too, but go away. I don't need you in my life right now. Run! Whoa! Run! 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 Oh, I need to grab that real bad. I don't need to. Oh, that's not very strong. Why are there so many zombies chasing me? Oh! Run! Oh gosh, I don't have time for that. Oh God! What the heck? Stop! I'm out 5,000, go away! Oh, you look like a mud. Okay, there's still gonna be things. Oh gosh, that was scary. That was scary, scary, scary. Blimey, that was scary. Eat that up, boy. Ah! Whoop! Okay. Oh, stop it, bitch. I don't have time for this. Stop. No! Gosh, stop hurting me. What did I ever do to you? Leave me alone. I can craft anything to protect myself. I can't do it. I just can't do it. Oh my. What? What? Don't get close. I'm gonna smack you across your face. You get 5 inches close to me, boy. Get out. Whoa. Yeah. You wanna fight? What? What? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. What? Attack on Dieter. Okay, use. Okay, now I have health. I needed health really badly. What? Oh, you're dead. Okay. Okay. That makes me feel better. Oh God, what are you doing? You're dead now. Whoa! Go away! Why do you have so much health? Okay, I got away in 5 seconds. Go back into the army, and some semblance of an army still functions today. Sometimes you can spot a helicopter. Wow! Huh. So what do I do with this? Delete. Wow, I can delete stuff? Wow, that's cray-cray, girl. Oh, I can just switch stuff. That's pretty neat. Crap. Whoa. Wait. Dang it. Okay, but I'm gonna have to leave this episode here. If you like this video somehow, then make sure you go like yay to that like button and subscribe to get you become a hot potato and you'll get cookies, and peace out. Boing.